again. Here's the snake.
He won't bite.
No! No! No, don't do it! No!
I didn't touch him. I didn't touch him.
Do it again.
You want to touch him? You want to touch him, Lily? You don't think I should touch him? But he's so I can touch the rhino.
Here, I'm gonna go over here
She
so I
said
can.
I could touch the rhino. You can touch the rhino.
She's gonna touch the rhino. Here's the rhino.
I don't care where he
It's actually a hippo.
Oh, really? Danielle sitting right under the snake. Look at mommy. Guys,
They don't
guys,
care about me.
Get back, snake. Get back. Get back. Get back. Get back, snake. Oh, oh. Do you want to touch it? Do you want to touch it?
Look, hi, Grandma's gonna touch the snake. One more time. I just want to get it from this angle.
It's angry. It's angry.
Do it one more time. I just want to get it from